Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of our viewers are not subscribed.
I'm the only subscriber.
She's the only subscriber. So the only place we could go is up. Unless she unsubscribes, which would be quite sad.
I could do it right now.
No! Don't do it. POV, you're being chauffeured
Oh,
to
look,
the
there's
pool.
Jacob right there.
Where? Oh, wait, is he here? Oh, no! Jacob! We were gonna go on a hunt for Jacob because he was fishing, but he's here. We're on the move. Jacob! POV, you see Jacob! Who is that? Wave to the vlog. I got my book. My favorite book in the whole world. Of all the books I've read, and I've read a lot. Okay, I have an important task I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to learn how to dive.
Oh, what?
What? Is it raining? Oh, well, just keep going. It'll...
Maybe it was my sprinkler.
No, it's not raining, I don't think. I don't know. Anyway, before I got interrupted.
It's definitely raining.
I'm gonna try to learn how to dive into a pool today because I don't know how to, and it's kind of a bit...
She's a loser. She's a lame-o like that.
Ouch. But it's kind of true. I have tried to learn before, and I couldn't. I was too scared, and I kept belly flopping. So
It's
definitely raining.
It's definitely rain, Ash.
What do we do, vlog? It's raining.
We
persevere.
swim. Anyway, what is swim instead of reading?
I'm hoping the rain stops.
It's like pouring.
Oh no. Oh no. Can you hear the rain? You see the rain? I love the rain. Oh my gosh. It's because you were slow when you were eating lunch.
I literally didn't eat that much. Nobody's here though.
Hey, okay, let's just sit in the car a little bit and let the rain pass.
No.
I don't want to go out in the rain and get all my stuff wet. Let's just give it like 5 minutes. This is not good. It's like pouring.
It's just a summer shower.
I like the summer. I like the sounds you make. We put the world away. We get so disconnected. Here goes Sarah. She a runner, she a track star. It already stopped raining. The sun's about to come back out. That's Alabama weather for you. We got sunscreen on though, so we ready to go. I'm waiting on Sarah. I'm gonna scare Sarah. She can't hear me. She's in there. Hold on. Maybe she had to go to the bathroom. Boo!
Oh gosh.
Scared you?
Oh wait, stop raining.
I know. Isn't that great?
Yes, let's go.
Hold on. It's pouring right now. Sarah's still swimming. I'm under the umbrella. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Okay, go. Ooh. Sis. Oh my gosh. It is raining so hard. What? Protect the book. Protect the book. That's literally all I'm worried about. I don't care if I get wet, but my book, that gets wet, that's my prized possession. You good, sis?
I get a nice tan.
I don't know if y'all can see the rain. It is absolutely pouring. She said it's letting up a little bit. The things we do for pool day. Twist the knife. Dance. Adult Swim? Question mark.
It was good up until the end.